again, and to spread out disease. Brace yourselves and calm.
Hello, my name's Jay Burrow from Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, up here at Skoolie UP, and I can show you around my rig. So if you want, I don't know, take a picture of the outside or stuff inside first.
I'll follow you in.
Okay. It's not complete.
Well, we all have to start someplace.
Yeah. So we got big intentions. As you see, it's all kind of empty. We've already taken out the metal roof or ceiling and put styrofoam up there, and then I put wood in, and I plan on the joints you can see putting a strip across once I get the sides done and other stuff done. But
so this is just beadboard?
There's
is it
styrofoam above this, and then this is tongue and groove pine.
Okay.
And I just screwed it right to the metal ribs. I know guys say you're not supposed to, but that's the only thing that's coming through to transfer any of the temperature.
Right.
And I plan on keeping all the windows. I may block some off from the inside, but from the outside, all the windows will be there. And then mainly in the back half, I'm going to block the bottom like they are now, because you can't open that part anyway. The front part, I'm going to leave them open, because if you're sitting while we're driving, you want to be able to see out. And of course, I moved the emergency, the two that were in the back, I moved them up here, because I didn't want to cover those up. And then I kind of started some electrical up there, but that'll probably all come out. It was just a quick thing to get it, put an air conditioner in the roof, and I've moved that since. Right now we just have the futons in here. You know, our clothes are stacked up back there. We have a porta potty if we need, but we'll use facilities here if we're able to. Sure. This chair I got, actually someone sold it on a motorhome. It's got a seat belt in it and it swivels around. Yep. So the passenger can sit here, and I got that board that goes over the stairway.
Right.
And then it's a passenger seat, and it slides forward. She's almost even with me.
I keep looking for one of these.
Like I said, I happened to find it near me, and the guy said, I don't remember if it was free, if it was $100 or something, but I'm like, it's got a seat belt and it's got the base swivels. I'm like, yeah, I've gotten that.
I take my grandson on adventures every summer, and right now I've got seat belts on the couch, but I'd really like a chair that he could sit in, so he's not like hanging around backwards around the wall to see where we're going.
And right now, nothing back here is fastened down. Of course, I plan on, once the layout's done, doing that. Because we're putting a bedroom in the back, bathroom. Kitchen area will be where the wheel wells are, kind of the front, and we'll have a bigger living area.
Sure.
Right now, our refrigeration system is coolers.
Yep.
This big cooler, though, has a hose drain that goes through the floor, so I never have to take it out. I just open the drain up.
Yep.
And that works.
I did the ice life for a while.
Yeah. And other than that, there's not much in here.
No, I like the ideas that you're coming up with, and hopefully down the road we'll cross paths again, and we'll get an update, see how you've done.
That's what I'm looking at, you know. And if you saw the outside somewhat, it's been brushed on now. I originally sprayed it, and some of the paint was coming off. This bus was originally purple on the bottom half, and I'm from Wisconsin, and purple doesn't go over. So I had to paint it.
Gee, you think?
Yeah. And painted it, well, I wanted it orange, so I painted it while the paint was coming off. So now I just brushed it so it looked good for now. And then I plan on doing a good paint job.
Mine was an activities bus that between the ribs was a deep red, and there was everywhere else was yellow, and it was the team colors. And my daughter told me I should paint anything that was yellow, I should paint white and call it the bacon bus. My wife said no, that's why my bus is blue, which is fine. But
so other than that, there's not much on here.
All right. Well, thank you. And like I said, now, do you have any social media?
Not at this time.
Okay.
We'll try and start something and see if we can come. Like you said, we don't have a name for the bus yet. I don't saw the front on the video, or if you're going to show that yet. Sure. I have a drum and bugle corps thing on there, which I'm involved in, and that's what we were at last year, or last weekend, and then I got a few different ones, so I changed the name on the front and the back.
I like to tell people that buses and cats are the same. They'll let you know what their name is eventually.
Yeah.
So, all right. Well, thank you.
Yep. Thank you.